Hey Alex, how are you doing today?
I'm doing great, Patrick.
Do we have a problem?
At least I do.
What have you got there?
What is this, my 6th Grom? 7? I don't know, but got another Grom. Because I may have done something with my... Oh, sorry, my dog's trying to drown himself. Otis! Good boy. I may have done something with my brushed Mojave. And Patrick's brushless Mojave seems 6, so I accidentally bought another one. And now I have a brushless Mojave to add to my collection. So if you don't know about these, this is the BLX. It has the brushless motor and ESC. It's got their DSC, I think it is, dynamic stability control. It comes with their aluminum shocks, the aluminum upgraded axles, aluminum links, upgraded differentials. I think it's got like a upgraded center shaft.
Now, something to note about this color wave.
Colorway?
Yeah, that colorway. Hey, sorry guys.
Hey.
This one doesn't come with a battery.
Correct.
But
we have a plethora of batteries. So it's got a sick body that makes up for that. This is there's one model of the Typhon and one of the Mojave. I think the brush trucks all come with batteries.
Yeah, I think so.
So basically, it's if you already have batteries or you wanted to use different ones, you can get an RTR minus the battery kit of the Mojave and of the Typhon for like $30 less, $20 less, somewhere around there. And I've got a bunch of batteries, and I really just want this body. So here we are. This comes in at $200. We picked it up from our local hobby shop, Leisure Hours. Love them. They've always got what we want, and so yeah, these are rated for I think it's 50 miles an hour with a 3S battery. So these are 2S and 3S capable, which is awesome. I have still yet to run a single one on 3S because they're so fast on 2S that there's just I'm good.
It's not really a good reason to run it on 3S.
Right.
I think we tried it on mine for a little bit, and it was...
Oh, you're right. It was just ignorant.
Yeah, it was pretty out of control.
So, yeah, the box panels are the same as most of the Mojaves. I mean, you've got your speed rating info there. Let me just, boop. Sorry, the screen went blank. Your speed info there, if you can read that. And then this panel shows all the different upgrades it comes with, and the clipless body, and yada, yada, yada. But let's just go ahead and open it person I can't wait to see this. I don't think I've seen this body actually in person. So we're going to go ahead and explore this and to get to experience it together. There it is.
You know what I noticed? Like I do with these brushless ones, that steering wheel sticker just kind of sticks up.
Wait,
It's supposed to be like the center line on the steering wheel.
oh, but it doesn't stick.
Yeah.
Oh.
Let us know below if your BLX also has that sticker that sticks up on the steering wheel.
Yeah, I was going to say I haven't noticed that, but I don't have a Mojave BLX.
Yep.
So.
I mean, dude,
Now I do.
Yeah.
So, here it is. We'll put some little beauty clips in here of it, but it's got the sick bronze on the front and sides, and then the back is matte black. It's got the gold wheels, the gold clipless buttons. It's a pretty good looking truck.
I don't think I was expecting the different finishes.
Yeah, I wish the whole body was the bronze, but it's still sick. Yeah, and I like the gold wheels a lot. The UDR suspension test. The Mojaves honestly have really plush suspension. Even the brushed ones do, but like the brushless it's nice. So that's sick. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead cue the beauty clips there of the. Body, and then we'll just jump right into the chassis. So you've got your brushless motor ESC setup with a really nice clean wiring style there. I like that they didn't make this obnoxious and oversized and zip tied together and stuff. It's got the cooling fan out of the box. You've got your aluminum links. You've got the like I said, all the upgraded shocks, diffs, axles, yada yada yada. It's got a lot of nice features for the price. For $200, these things are quick, they're fast, they're fun. Like, you can't really go wrong with this if you want a small-scale truck just to rip around. We've done enough unboxings with these that, you know, if you follow the channel, you get the point. These things are a blast and we love them, but I wanted a fast Mojave, and I haven't been able to justify making my brushed Mojave fast until something that you'll see in a future video potentially. That I may have done to it, and now it's fast but different. So here we are.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Actually, that video... No, this will probably be out first, because that's not done yet. So, yeah. Let us know if you guys have a Mojave BLX and enjoy them as much as we do, because they've just been so much fun. We cannot get enough of them. We're trying to get more and more of our friends into them, and it's a cheap investment, so it's easy to get your friends that are on the edge about getting an RC to get. Like, once you show them how fast they are and for the price, they're like, okay, that's pretty sick. Yeah, I'll pick one up. And these are so much fun to drive with friends. Like, the more of them you have out, the more fun it is. Even just like oval tracks and stuff, they're a blast. I don't know. This has been one of my favorite purchases price per fun is each of my little Mojave Groms and all the Groms. They're a good investment for the money. But the rest of the stuff in the box is this. You get the gist of it. You've got your SLT2 receiver, which you can see they have the orange button on the ones with the DSC, the stability control. So that's like the destination for it. And then you get your AA's, your tools, your book. Since this does not come with the charger, or since this is the RTR minus battery, it does not have the charger and stuff in the bag, but the other ones would come with that in there. So yeah, we're gonna go take it outside and take it for a little rip and let her eat. So I hope you enjoyed, and I hope if you haven't gotten one yet, this pushes you over the edge to get one, because I could not recommend them more. They're a blast. Even if you're into the large scale stuff, these are fun to have in your fleet and just pull out. Leave in your back seat and, you know, rip it around after work or on your lunch break kind of stuff. Like any of that, it's a good truck. So
don't be discouraged too if you like the bronze. When you buy the charger and the battery separate, it comes out to the exact same price anyways.
Right.
So it's no different.
Right, and you can also go and, like, if you don't want to have to use the Spectrum smart ecosystem, there's like Gens Ace just came out with some IC2 connector 2300 milliamp 2S's, and I think 1700 milliamp 3S's that are meant for these trucks, so you could upgrade with their battery. Like if you don't want to use the small, size 1400 milliamp factory batteries, you can get yourself a nice larger capacity battery for the same price as the Arma or a Spectrum one for these, and now you've got a better battery, and you don't have to worry about the Spectrum smart charger system if you don't have a smart charger. So yeah, I mean, go get one before they're gone, which they won't be, hopefully, because the NASCARs are gone, but these seem to be holding stock better. So
yeah,
go get one. It's worth it. Thanks for watching, guys.